Are we expecting things to go tomorrow? And what is your call on for them?
We've been, my brother, we've been always peaceful, and this is evidence. This is more than 10,000 people marching peacefully. They haven't hurt anything. They haven't disturbed the police. We are just showing the number to say to the government, can you see? So many people saying one thing, saying illegal immigrants must leave this country. Employers that are employing illegal immigrants must stop. People who are hiding them in buildings must stop. People who let out properties for them, they must stop that, because it's dangerous for the country to have people that are not documented in the country. So we've been doing this for 12 years as Insizwa. We've been helping March and March for almost 1.5 years now. We haven't had any problems, and I only concentrate on men because my foundation is more on a moral regeneration for men, to bring back the dignity of men, and the men also to remember themselves and grow back the conscience. We don't want to talk about GBV in the next 2 years in South Africa. GBV must be gone. All these drugs and all these illegal trades must be gone. So we want the government to respond to the call. These people can't be crazy. They can't. These are men and women who had houses, who work. These are professionals. These are doctors. These are teachers. These are business people. They are not crazy. They are saying to the government, fix this problem of illegal immigrants. We will continue to be peaceful. We will continue to respect our police. We will continue to respect everyone, respect our leaders. That's why you will never hear us calling for a leader to leave his position. We are saying, our leaders, please, we are South Africans. We voted you. We put you up into those positions. Please listen to us. Yeah. Thank you.